Happy birthday, Doodles. Do you want to open a few presents? Yeah. Go on then. Just open a few, okay? Get them, Doodles. I think you can get them out now. Go on, don't break them. What are you doing? Where are we going?
2 hours later.
Little shark. He's gonna shake, and then he's gonna roll. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Excuse me, what are you? Ah! What time it is, Doodles? It's time for the wash. Are you ready for stop number 2? I don't have any more treats now, Doodles. No more treats for now, you have to wait a bit. Don't look to Dad. And here's the Doodles. Yeah. Oh, yum. Oh. Sorry to interrupt you. Would you like an ice cream? Would you like an ice cream? Come on then. Cheers. Do you want one?